everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to backup chat on your WhatsApp application. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Now the most important thing is you must be connected to a good internet connection or a Wi-Fi connection in order to follow this process. Now let us get started. So first you need to open the WhatsApp application. And here, as you can see, the interface looks something like this. Now in order to back up your chat on this particular page, move towards the upper right corner, and right on top there you can see a 3-dot icon. Just tap on it, and as soon as you tap on the 3-dot icon, there is a list of options. So from here you need to tap on the last option, which is settings. So the next page you will land inside the info of settings. Now from here you need to tap on the second option, which is chat. Just tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on chat, on the other page there is a detail about the chat. So now on this particular page, scroll down, and on the second last option there you can see chat backup. Just tap on it. So now on the next page you will land inside the detail about chat backup. So now do the same process, that is scroll down. Down there you have backup to Google Drive. Just tap on it. There is another pop-up window that says backup to Google Drive. So from here you need to select whether you want to back up your chat every day, weekly, monthly, never, only when I tap backup. Now from here you need to select. So for now I'll go with daily. Now right in the bottom there you have include videos. So in case if you want to back up your chat along with or including your videos, so just tap on the button which is right in the corner. As you can see, this has turned green, which means that as soon as I tap on backup, along with my chat, my videos will also be included. Last but not the least, that is tap on backup, which is right on top. And this is how you can back up your chat on WhatsApp application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.